Ang pelikulang Only We Know na pinagbibidahan ni Dingdong Dantes at Charo Santos Concho ay ipinalabas sa Toronto, Canada nitong June 20 and 21, 2025 sa Cineplex Scarborough Town Center, Toronto, Canada.
Shin, sino tayong papanoorin natin ngayon?
Si Dingdong Dantes, tsaka si Ma'am Charo.
Ma'am Charo. Kailangan ni Ma'am Charo.
Si Ma'am Charo. Dati kong boss.
Ang pelikula ay isang romantic drama na tumatalakay sa hindi inaasahang pagkakaibigan at pagmamahalan sa pagitan ng retiradong guro at isang lalaking nagluluksa sa pagkawala ng kanyang asawa. Ang kanilang kwento ay nagpapakita ng lakas ng koneksyon at pagmamahal na hindi alintana ng oras at opinyon ng lipunan. Ang Only We Know ay dinirect ni Irene Emma Villamor. Ang pelikulang ito ay isang magandang pagkakataon para sa mga Pilipino sa Toronto na masaksihan ang isang kwento ng pag-ibig at pagkakaibigan na puno ng emosyon at aral. Nagkaroon din ng pagkakataon na ma-meet and greet ng mga fans sa Toronto sina Miss Charo Santos Concho at Dingdong Dantes. Narito po ang ilang eksenang ating nakunan sa oras ng event.
Privilege to introduce a renowned Filipina who hosts or a Filipina media executive, actress, film producer, and she is well known for her Maalala Mo Kaya, MMK for short. And that is also the longest running television anthology in Asia. Please welcome the person who plays Betty, Miss Charo Santos.
Hi, Chris. Thank you so much.
Go for it.
Hello, good evening, everyone. Kamusta kayo? Maraming salamat sa pagdalo ng special screening ng Only We Know, ang pelikulang handog namin ni Dingdong Dantes. Ang swerte-swerte ko, di ba? Dahil ang leading man ko ay si Ding...
Toast. Hello.
Hello?
There we go.
Ayan, hello. Sana po ma-enjoy ninyo ang pelikula. Magustuhan po ninyo ang pagkakaibigan ni Betty at ni Ryan. At sana kayo rin ay sumakay sa kanilang pagkakaibigan at pagkakaroon ng deep connection sa isa't isa.
Wow.
And here is none other than Dingdong Dantes.
Thank you, ma'am. Nag-survey po kami ng 100 Pinoy na nakatira sa Canada. Ang tanong, sino pong excited manood ng Only We Know? Kaya alam nyo, gusto ko sanang magbigay ng mga thoughts ko sa movie, pero ayoko pong spoil yung experience. Pero gusto ko lang sabihin, isang napakalaking karangalan na makakatrabaho ang nag-iisang Charo Santos Concho. It was a great experience for me. Hindi ko po malilimutan ito kung bakit makikita niyo sa pelikula. But before that, gusto lang namin parating sa inyo yung aming appreciation sa pagpunta ninyo. Thank you po for watching. I hope and we hope na magustuhan niyo siya as much as we love making it. So without further ado, ito na po, palabas na ba natin? But before that pala, meron ba tayong mga Q&A o ano?
I feel like I'm on the spot right now. I don't know the answer. Okay, first off, we want to give an acknowledgement to the Consul General, who's here today, and she's actually wrapping up her service here in Toronto later this month. So we want to give her a round of applause. And the Minister of Women and Gender Equality, Ms. Reggie Valdez, is also in the house somewhere here. Okay, so we're gonna just do a quick Q&A. First off, congratulations. I just watched it. Yes, and I almost cried. Earlier, yes, I almost cried. Almost. I'm trying to hold it in, you know. I don't want to show my true emotions.
No spoilers, no spoilers.
It was the act. No, I'm not gonna, you know, when you're on top of a mountain, that's it. That's what I'm gonna say. All right. So my first question is, Ms. Charo, you haven't done a film in almost 4 years. Oh, in almost 4 years. What provoked you to want to do another film and get back on the big screen?
Oh, when I'm drawn to a good story, I'm always open to, you know, acting a new character. So yeah, when it was presented to me, it's an unusual story about love and friendship. I was drawn to the narrative, and so without any hesitation, and also I wanted to work with Ding Dong. So without any hesitation, I said yes to the project. And to give credit to Ding Dong, I think it was very brave of him to take a risk on this unusual story about love and friendship. I mean, not every actor-producer would take a risk on this kind of a narrative. And therefore, yeah, hooray to Ding Dong. Yeah, for taking the risk.
Thank you. And Ding Dong, my question for you is, what was your greatest learning experience in doing this film?
So many valuable insights. Not just on screen, no, but more importantly off screen. Kasi syempre doon kami nakakapagkwentuhan ni Ma'am Charo. Ang daming mga stories about the industry, about life in general. Talagang lumabas yung kanyang pagka-Betty, kung paano malalaman niya mamaya. Kasi si Betty din dito sa pelikula, siya isang teacher. And si Ma'am Charo, parang gano'n din. I also consider her like a teacher of life in many aspects. Diba? So, yun yung mga pinaka-valuable para sa akin. More than the lessons na natutunan ko sa film. Yung mga behind the scenes na nausapan namin.
Yeah, so we can talk about behind the scenes. So, what kind of preparations did the two of you do to work with each other? Because I know you guys haven't done a film together before, but you've known of each other. So, did you do any special preparations? Be like, oh, I got to talk to Marian to make sure I'm doing everything okay. You know, is that something you had to do?
Well, aside from some glasses of wine, that we really got into the characters through the help of our director, Direk Irene, because she's known for that, creating very character-centric stories, character-driven stories. So in a way, she gave us the freedom to create the characters on our own. But alam ko, konting time lang binigay sa akin ni Direk Irene, pero grabe yung time nila ni Ma'am Charo. I think it took them months, even almost a year, to develop the character of Betty. And si Ma'am will tell you more about it.
Yes, I had many conversations with our director, Direk Irene Emma Villamor. And every time she would, because it went through 5 drafts, the screenplay, yes. And every time she would give me a copy of the draft, I would request for a meeting and discuss the character, discuss the scenes. I thought there should be like a more equal presentation of the characters, yeah, and a deepening of the experience of each character. So it was like going through an experience of a Jungian experience for me, yeah. But kami ni Ding Dong are getting comfortable with each other when came as we were doing the film. And therefore, I'd like to think na mas organic. Our portrayals became more organic because sinabayan natin, di ba, as Ding Dong and Charo. So, we were not over-rehearsed, you know? Yeah, we were not over-rehearsed by the director. Yeah, it was a lot more sincere and candid. Yeah, and I think that's the kind of portrayal that you will, modesty aside, that's the kind of portrayal that you will see in Ryan and Betty.
And my last question, Mr. Ding Dong, was it intimidating to hear that you're going to be with a legend on screen?
I will lie if I say I wasn't intimidated. Yes, definitely, but more, parang hindi ganun eh. Siyempre may takot, may kaba. I would put it more like takot and kaba. Dahil siyempre, ayaw kong magkamali, di ba, as an actor as much as possible. Pero kasi si Ma'am was very accommodating. She was very warm, very calm, and talagang papayagan ka niya mag-co-create kasama niya. So, nung unang scene pa lang, okay na talagang. Pinaramdam niya sa akin na, hey, sige lang, just do your thing. And basta. Basta. So,
Watch
yun.
out, watch
Basta.
out for the grocery scenes.
Oo,
diba?
basta.
Alright, enjoy the film.
Ma'am Charo, pa-shoutout naman po. Pa-shoutout. Ma'am Charo, pa-shoutout po. Shoutout. Pa-shoutout po. Ding dong. Thank you, pare.
Thank you.
Guri. Oh, kamusta naman ang movie?
Okay naman siya. Feel-good movie lang siya.
So, maganda siya.
Hindi ganun
Kakaiba siya.
ka-drama, saka nakakatawa.
May comment lang ako.
Ano?
Nababother lang ako kasi kapag ka nagbibitaw ng dialogue si Charo Santos, feeling ko nagbabasa pa rin siya ng sulat sa maalaala mo kaya yung phrasing delivery, no?
Sanay na kasi
Sanay,
siya.
oo. Kaya, yun lang yung comment ko. Pero maganda yung movie. Dami mga tito-tita na dito. Okay.
Yes.
Alright, panoorin nyo. Maganda. Bye-bye.
Muli po, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Kung kayo po ay hindi pa nakasubscribe sa ating channel, please subscribe Kuya JTL. Maraming salamat po. Best regards, Kuya JTL.